I didn't say come and play. That's the real world.
Oh yes, my people. How na dey? Yes, so if not through this video you go to know me for the first time. My name na be Prince Prophet Olushola Aladejana, the trado medical doctor, human rights activist. You know, in life, one man's food can be another man's poison. And when somebody's poison is your favorite food, that give you nutrient, poultry, protein and all that, nobody can tell you to stop it. And when it becomes your poison, nobody can also tell you start eating it. You will choose what is good for you. If I do so many things, some people, my fans, some will appreciate, some will condemn and say, oh God, you for not do this thing. But something that is giving me joy and something that is making way for me, how do you expect me to stop it because of you? That is impossible. And in my platform, people continue to learn sense on daily basis. Despite someone fall in victim, someone be the same feather, they will always go against it. But those who see life as a teacher, we always say, thank you, sir, we need more of this. That one can't go. Today, I have here with me a woman I want to present something to. When I travel abroad, somebody who was seeing us in social media said, I know you. Then when I now went to France, the person now said, okay, say hello to my friend. And this is the friend, and she will be seeing it there. All right. And before I finally round up, there is a story behind it. This is Comrade Stella. Anybody following us, anybody that has followed us, anybody that will keep on following us to watch our old video should know this woman. She's a self-claimed pastor. And I met her in this house I bought. There was one church here in this house which people know. I met her here as an assistant pastor, while the main pastor, they say she travel America. So we begin to relate, and I discovered that she also have interest in humanity. And I said, okay, we can work together. All of a sudden, she came to us that she's no more with that pastor again, with a lot of stories. I said, okay, you can become me as a human rights activist. We will train you. And for the fact that you have passion in it, we can excel together. Even she came for more than 2-3 months without being a member officially. I said, no, this is not done. Even it, however, every people that follow us must have records, which is registration, which she did. So, and I then want to call her a mother, a woman I can rely on to maintain my house because of her age and because she claimed to be pastor. He never reached 1 month to my house scatter. My wife, you know my wife, they behave like baby. This woman will go and tell my wife, this is what my sister said, my same father, same mother. My wife will be fighting me, fighting my sister. At the end, my wife will say, now Madam Stella says so. I say, my wife, not be like that. If as mature as Madam Stella, even if my sister says something, if he can tell you, she won't scatter your house. My wife say, nah lie you, Madam Stella, she's doing the right thing. I say, okay, but you will soon hear from Madam Stella. I say, I'm not going to drive Stella because I want Stella to pay you back with evil. The way she has been paying me back with evil. My wife was very happy. Now make Stella PA. If you are seeing Stella, this woman, you will see my wife. My wife now even transferred this woman from my branch here where I kept her to be doing human work of humanity. My wife now make her her very personal person and took her with her to Ikeja. They now left this branch empty. I say, hey, this woman will come back for you. I called this woman sitting here 2 times. I say, my spirit told me, that time my wife never confessed. I say, my spirit told me, you will betray me and you are not straightforward. He laughed. I say 2 times now I call and say, see what my spirit told me, that we will not end well. He said no. Then I leave them. My wife, this woman was giving all the whole information on earth to my wife. And none of this information was used for her to scatter house. Waiting I talk. So when God want to punish my wife from this woman hand now, if my wife shit, he peace. Before they reach out, this woman don't tell everybody, including my same sister. When they carry matter, go give my wife. He can't they carry my wife who can't they give my sister. My sister will call me at the Europe. He say, see you, even the small girl then bring here. This girl meet my wife. He say, he meet my sister. I say, now your money you take the feed down. They don't give madam money for office. Now make they take the feed down. My sister call me and say, hey, the normal feeding we are feeding, which I am providing, even if they give person money to feed now, as far you are cooking 24 hours 3 times in a day, you not supposed to concern Stella. So what am I trying to say? Stella talk so they nothing when not let her talk. After he tried to scatter my wife and I put my wife under control, he now bring Yabo again, my younger sister, be reporting my wife to Yabo so that Yabo can fight back. To the extent the small girl they brought here, he took that girl beside and started to poison the girl's mind. So they wanted my house to fall apart. Whether I made my house fall, may she can't be the owner of my house. I don't know. This is what we are saying about pastor. She's a cramped pastor. And I give her my house to maintain. So now my wife can't come in one day say he will finish this woman. I can't laugh for 4 days Europe. I say no, don't finish her. She's a good woman. He say not a good woman. He said as she was going today, one woman stopped her, say, be careful with this woman. That this woman came to her to say, your husband not love you. Your husband will not marry you, which is me. I will not marry my wife. That I always fight my wife. I always call my wife name. I even took, she was there when I did one video. That shows that I will not even marry my wife. Oh. Then the woman now stopped my wife. Say, see waiting they happen for now. Also, this woman they talk. Be careful with this woman. Then my wife now call me, enough is enough. I tell my wife, say, no, enough is not enough. Wait first. Now, she be, you know, they hear word for your husband. When I was begging you, say, if now your mama, they tell you about your husband, your mother don't want you to settle. If now your mama, they tell you about your in-laws, your husband don't want you to settle. But you were saying Stella is doing the right thing. Now, Stella is beginning to carry your information. You are not saying Stella lie. Morning, how are you? You are not saying Stella lie. That is why I told my wife, I say, when Stella was saying something about me, my family, you never agree with me, Stella lie. Now Stella is saying something against you. You are not saying Stella lie. I say it's not possible. You must manage Stella. Guess what? I don't miss Stella for here from travel. My wife chase her. Say no. When I come, because I know my wife action. Now I can't call Stella. Say don't come yet until I come. And while you are seeing her here, you know I make video one time. I say people when they not feel manage their home. When they want to tell you say they know they take shit, say make you take shit, make you not take shit, and then they take shit. Okay, look at this woman sitting here now. She's not a widow. The husband is alive. 2 children for the man, but they are not married. They are not even in one state. A woman who have nothing to offer. How do you expect? Make una ask my wife and all of now will be woman. A woman who is not patient, who has nothing to offer. How do you not dedicate your marriage to that kind of woman? She's not a widow. She was unable to manage her marriage. She now came to destroy my house. You know why she's sitting here now today? When I became angry and I wanted to sit her and my wife together to disgrace both of them, say, yo, to do the like say, yo, then I now call her. while I was still in abroad. I say, Madam Stella, say yes. I say, that woman that said she know you, which she spoke with the woman. I said, that woman gave me telephone with 2 SIM cards, screen touch, to come and give you. Guess what? That is why this woman now, because of telephone, she keep on coming every day. Then I now sat her with my wife to have the opportunity to talk to her. She now actually sat and I tell her all those things I'm saying now. She sat because of telephone. I now narrate how she has been evil to me and my family. And how she has been enemy to everybody. This is why she know everybody. Master of, that is, she's a jack trainer, how now they call her, of all business, master of none. So I now used the opportunity because of when she came and I told her. Then I told her, you say you are a pastor, and in a thing like this, as a native doctor, you witness I can give, many people can swear oath of trust in me, in my praise, if you want to continue with me. She said she's aware. I say, now, because you claim pastor, I will not give you any juju to swear, not even Ogun. I say, if you really are a really pastor and you did not plan to scatter my house, both spiritual and physical, go and bring your own Bible. I say, bring your own Bible, bring your own salt, bring your own water from house, and also bring your own cup to put the salt and water and Bible. This woman ran away.
I did not run away. I went to Omugo.
You went to Omugo. Wait, yes, now you brought the Bible now.
I want to ask you now.
You are with the Bible.
Because the phone they gave you to give me.
Wait, now I call the person. They gave you phone to give me. You were there, Abi. Wait, now the woman will call you. You were there.
If you don't want to give it to me, you want to have it.
Have
with
it.
all the property you have, with all the wealth you have. If you want to have it as your own, okay.
Hello? Can I have my key?
No, sir, I want to.
Can I have you? Are you forcing me? When you are ready, you use the key. If you want to enter now, you enter and lock my gate. The woman that brought phone for you, now make una the key person for property, but my head too strong past your head. Now so you destroy the whole world. The woman that give phone now will call you now, be. You wait now, now phone break you come. Were you there?
No, you told me.
I told you that you will just keep quiet and listen.
To the house.
Yes. Thank God you know how to that village. You wait now.
So
Shebi na phone you can't collect.
Sir, if you don't want to give me the phone,
yes.
You can have it.
Wait now. I will not have it, but wait
because
now.
of maybe if you are not the one that bought the phone for me,
yeah.
Somebody else gave you this phone to give me.
Yeah.
And now, is it because you want to give it, so the phone somebody gave you to give me, that bringing all this matter?
Which matter?
This one that
where your Bible now? You say you go Omugo.
I went to Omugo.
I know now. As you are coming now, you don't know say now here you they come.
No, I told
you came yesterday. You say where is the phone?
You asked me.
You came today. Where is your Bible now as a pastor? Say all this evil plan against me and my wife. Say if not true or you will plan more. You came here with ordinary hand. Listen,
listen. Yesterday you
my
told
people.
Me, you said,
it be like someone don't understand English when I they speak.
Nobody
bring Bible. Nobody bring
the Bible
phone.
Said, God said I must not swear.
No, na here, pastor.
I must not swear
in Bible
with anything on the earth. Not
but you must destroy people house.
Read Jude 5:25.
You see, pastor. Unanya don't open everywhere.
Jude 5:25.
See,
I must never swear.
make una listen. No, this I said Bible. Na native doctor.
You don't swear with Bible.
You don't swear with Bible.
In my kingdom, where
did you just say you are not? Did you just say you are not a native doctor?
Yeah, we don't swear with Bible.
No, I wanted to hear if you just say you are not a native doctor.
Yeah, because you believe to swear, but we don't believe.
I thought you said you are not a native doctor.
You believe to swear, but we don't believe.
Why you not tell me say you not be native doctor? I thought you say you are not a native doctor.
If you read
now, wait, Mona, listen, no.
Jude 5:25.
Nobody bring phone for this woman. I am talking now. Now this mean I know the woman. France, that woman in France. When you say you know Stella, you are watching us. If you bring phone for me to give Stella, I can't talk her. I use this phone to bring you here since a month. You keep on coming because I need to disgrace you. That's why I say you have phone. So the woman is watching now. If you give me phone, or you write down here now, say, You give me phone, give this woman, and she's still talking about phone after she came to scatter her life. If you give me a phone, talk now in this platform, call in now, call my number, +234 9060 291622. Because you were destroying your house and I need to see you and disgrace you. Now phone bring you to come and face this disgrace. And the disgrace will be upon you. Because this is how you have been scattering people's family.
Look, let me tell you.
This is how you have been scattering people's family. You even come out to ask. You even come to ask for phone that they not give you. Let me tell you, this is how you have been losing. Because this woman said, the woman said she is coming. The woman said she is coming to Nigeria December to give her events.
If God is my God,
if the same God, if the same God, if the same God you serve. If the same God you serve say you should scatter people's house,
the God of the David Oyedepo,
you get David Oyedepo. You are no festival do here when you know they eat.
The God of the
I don't treat you with native doctor medicine.
That I have served.
I give you herb to drink every day.
We never do this
I
thing.
pray for you as a native doctor every day. I do sacrifice. I even send you to go and share for beggars to follow my clan. So, do you call yourself a pastor? That means Oyedipo, your father, is a native doctor. I am a native doctor. You are working for me. Don't call yourself pastor.
You send me a message.
Yeah, you are. Don't tell me you are a pastor. So don't even call Oyedipo here.
I want to tell you that
when time reach, you know they claim Bible. Why you not claim Bible when I never kick you out?
Me to drink here. That I drink their book.
No, you eat them here. You eat it here in presence of everybody. Maybe you go vomit and for COVID. Maybe you go vomit and you never take them away.
When they eat dog.
You even eat dog from my house. You eat time here. Maybe you get basket. Maybe you get basket when the bed inside your mat.
I just pack and put for takeaway.
As a pastor, you dey enter my shrine. You dey pray, I dey pray for you. Yeah, they throw juju for grant for you. I dey put something here. Na pastor as you dey. Come carry your disgrace. They go now, so you dey scatter people as my own. Not let you scatter. One come carry phone. Don't carry your disgrace, go they destroy other people's life, not be my life.
I don't disgrace any person's life. You see, that's
how... She be my wife is a get sense. That's why I let all of Namuna deal with myself. As I tell her the first time I don't want you, he say no, you are the best person on earth. While you were trying to destroy my family, she was happy. Now when you want to destroy her, she not come happy. I say, wow. You must accept it.
Oh God, all this stuff you are doing, you are bigger than all these things.
I'm not bigger now. Now so that you they use bigger than they spoil people's house. Bigger than anybody telling you are bigger than what they are doing to you. They want to spoil you.
If you want to have the phone and put it upon your own, put the phone upon your own and use it.
If you even come for phone, that means you're ready to even die for phone. That is why you are here. You think say you're smart. Now the phone they bring you since a month.
They gave you phone because Oba will hear you. Oba will hear you.
Go call Oba come.
I'm going to meet the Oba. He's going to hear you. I'm going to meet Barrett. He's going to hear you. They did not give you anything, so you begin to lie. So which kind of lie?
Now the lie break you come now. Now the lie break you come now.
The woman gave you something. You say, okay, good. You are the same person that say you have told the woman never to give me business to do with for in son that is wedding because of this. You are the same person saying I'm going to beg people to come and beg you, which I never did. Can you just tell the world truth for once? It's not good. Don't blackmail me.
Why you not bring Bible blackmail me?
I'm telling you, don't blackmail me. And you are too big for all these things.
I'm not too big.
You are too big.
I am preventing you from scattering another people's house.
Because I don't hold in my mouth. You are too big for all these things you are doing. You are too big. Because that Oba that colonized you, I'm going to meet him right now at his place. I am from a royal home. That all those people that sit with you and listen, I know all of them one after the other. I'm going to meet them. I'm going to tell them. Don't. You are too big for all these things. Heaven knows that I have served you. I have worked with you. I have never one day insulted you or tried to disgrace you. But I want to expel it to you today that you are saying all these things against me. I will not say a word because
you have no word to say now.
If I work with you, you become my boss. No matter your age or your status, I will respect you. I will stay under you. All these things you are talking and talking and talking and talking and talking. It did not defeat you. It didn't defeat you at all to